I just did a whole vlog in the car wash. That's why you can't hear me, but I just did a whole vlog in the car wash. And I forgot to push the record button on the camera. Yay! Woo! Okay, car wash done. I'm so smart sometimes. Wow. Not only did I forget to put my car in neutral, which was really funny. I didn't put my car in neutral, so I kind of made the guys mad, the car wash guys. I do that sometimes, I forget to pay attention. But yeah, I thought it was going to be cool to do a vlog from the car wash, but I forgot to push the record button. What good is that? I don't really have anything to vlog about. I got my hair done. I don't like it. I never like my hair when I first get it done. I'm sure it's beautiful, but that's just the way that I am. I never like it in the beginning. So basically what I'm gonna do, and I really shouldn't be doing this, but it's okay, because yellow, it's kind of gonna be like a manic panic yellow, I think. I don't know for sure, but we're gonna find out. Violet cancels out yellow, so in case anything bad happens, I can just put the violet over it. And then I got blue, because blue cancels out orange, and I have a lot of orange. I've got a lot of orange going on, so